Now, how do you think silent film actors felt about talking films? What do you think? How do you think people might have been feeling? Bad, Charlotte says, bad. So silent film actors were used to a lot of emoting, right? And a lot of facial expressions and a lot of gestures and very dramatic actions. Yeah, Debbie says resistant. Alice says inadequate. And from Charlotte, I can't stand them. Classic line from Singing in the Rain. Now for me, I've done virtual retreats on my computer for a whole day. So people get a lot more opportunity to talk and share. Debbie is probably going to have people do this on her live retreat. Judy probably has people talk a lot when she's doing facilitation, because that's a very discussion-oriented format. You can also have people stop and breathe or stretch or reflect. And in fact, let's take a break right now. Everybody stretch. Think about your topic, the topic that you teach and train on right now. Your activity is going to be share with the 1 or 2 people in your breakout room how this roll of toilet paper is like the thing that you teach on. Quality matters. Who else wants to share in the chat? The more you unwind it, the closer you get to the core. Brilliant, Catherine.
This is really an exercise in letting go. Micro presentations are an exercise in letting go. Letting go of everything that is not relevant, that is not practical, that people don't need right now. If you're speaking for 5 minutes, practice up to 4, because we're talking about seconds. We're talking about seconds when you do a micro presentation. Every second counts. So always build in a cushion.
Now, are you the person in the middle? I'm going to get all the clients. Have you ever gone into a networking event thinking you're going to get all the clients? I want to remind you that it's about quality, not quantity, okay? If you make 1 or 2 amazing contacts, it will be totally worth your time. But if you run around trying to meet as many people as possible and maybe you make 20 mediocre contacts, that is not going to benefit you.